Hello everyone, in the present video I am going to discuss with you all regarding multiple choice questions in cardiopulmonary physiotherapy. So let's see the same. Number 1, pink, frothy and profuse sputum is seen in dash condition. A. Pneumoconiosis, B. Lobar pneumonia, C. Acute pulmonary edema, D. Aspergilloma. So here the answer is acute pulmonary edema. Let's see the second one. Normal value of PaCO2 is dash 35 to 45 mm of Hg, 80 to 100 mm of Hg, 22 to 28 kilopascal, 40 to 50 kilopascal. So here the answer is 35 to 45 mm of Hg. The third one, the costophrenic angle in chest X-ray is blunted ideally in dash condition. A. Pleural effusion, B. Pneumonia, C. Bronchiectasis, D. Pulmonary edema. So here the answer is pleural effusion. In this condition, the costophrenic angle is obliterated. Next, normal sodium level is dash 127 to 137 milliequivalent per liter, 137 to 147 milliequivalent per liter, 147 to 157 milliequivalent per liter, and D 227 to 277 milliequivalent per liter. So here the answer is 137 to 147 milliequivalent per liter. The fifth one, sharp pain which is elicited beneath the gastrocnemius when the foot is dorsiflexed. This finding is a positive dash. A. Tinel sign, B. Homan sign, C. Allen's test, D. Scober's test. So here the answer is Homan sign. The sixth one, the diastolic blood pressure is indicative of dash. A. Myocardial contractility, B. Myocardial perfusion, C. Peripheral resistance, D. Left ventricular function. So here the answer is peripheral resistance. The seventh one, normal HDL, high density lipoprotein to cholesterol ratio is dash. A. 1 raised to 2, B. 2 raised to 3, C. 3 raised to 5, D. 5 raised to 7. So here the answer is 3 raised to 5. Number 8, sympathetic stimulation of the heart leads to dash. A. An increase in the heart rate, B. Slowed conduction through the AV node, C. Decrease in the heart rate, D. None of the above. So here the answer is an increase in the heart rate. Ninth one, ideally the endotracheal tube should not extend beyond the dash. A. Base of the tongue, B. Pharynx, C. Larynx, D. Carina. So here the answer is Carina. Number 10, who is considered as the father of CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation? A. Peter Seffer, B. Robert Seffer, C. Christian Bernard, D. Inthuben. So here the answer is Peter Seffer. 11th one, the value of the resting metabolic rate, oxygen uptake, which is called 1 MET, is dash. 3.5 ml per kg per minute, 3.7 ml per kg per minute, 4.5 ml per kg per minute, 4.7 ml per kg per minute. So here the answer is 3.5 ml per kg per minute. Raynaud's disease is dash. Okay. A. Arterial disease, B. Venous disease, C. Lymphatic system disease, D. None of the above. So here the answer is arterial disease. I have given you the mnemonics in one of the video on this channel, that is bar 1, new Nestle bar 1. So that's the name of the chocolate, and here I have make a change in the spelling of the bar 1, B triple A R N O N E 1. So Berger's disease, arteriosclerosis, atherosclerosis, aneurysm, and Raynaud's disease. Okay, so these are the arterial diseases. So here the answer is arterial disease. Bronchopulmonary fistula is a complication following dash. A. Thoracotomy, B. Thoracoplasty, C. Lobectomy, D. Pneumonectomy. So here the answer is pneumonectomy. 14th one, the chest with the forward projection of the sternum is referred to as dash. Pectus excavatum, B. Pectus carinatum, C. Harrison sulcus, D. None of the above. So here the answer is Pectus carinatum. And the last one, in an ECG, the ventricular depolarization is represented by A. P wave, B. QRS complex, C. T wave, D. U wave. So here the answer is QRS complex. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.